better get away from the poo-poo.
Hey, little ball.
Call Coco. I can't get Coco in the video. Coco won't come out, Summer. I'm about to run out of battery. There she is.
Come here, Coco. Well, watch this one. Like he has to jump a little bit on the ground before he can get up in the lap.
Hey.
Okay. This one's so jelly. I think these might be older, Coco and the other one.
Yeah.
Ow.
Do y'all need some more water? Hey, cutie pie. Hey, big boy.